Hi guys, Brian here, and welcome back to another Jurassic World toy unboxing. Today I got some Jurassic World survival toys, so let's just get started. First of all, here is the Frenzy Pack Monolophosaurus. As you can see, here's the packaging. These are the new Frenzy Packs. I got this one in Target. Here's the back. And not much for front and top and bottom. Let's just get to unboxing. I have a question. Did you sometimes celebrating Christmas earlier, like 2 days ago? I did. I'm wondering if you guys did. Here it is. Frenzy Pack Molluskosaurus. To be honest, there's not really much to say about it because the design is basically is like a pre-existing one. It's just recolored with yellow on the head, neck, and parts of the body over here, the torso, and then a lot of blue. I don't know. It's kind of a bland, but to be honest, most Frenzy packs, the paint is not usually the best. The head sculpt, out of all the Molluskosaurus designs, this is one of their best designs. I mean, it could be a better design, but hey, still looks good. You can see the crest is a red color, and the teeth are also painted. For the articulation, the mouth opens that wide, you can close it. The neck also can move. And so are the arms. The legs as well, but they're really tight on mine. This one's pretty tight. And you can still move them, obviously. And the tail is just 360. Scan code over here. To be honest, I have nothing to say. This is just a decent figure. I mean, it could have been better if the colors were a lot more detailed. But anyways, let's go to the next figure. Next one is the Frenzy Pack Vespersaurus. Let's just get to unboxing. So, Mattel's second attempt at creating a different ornithomimosaurid dinosaur besides, Gallimimus. Their second attempt at making a different Gallimimus related dinosaur or species. I think this is a group Ornithomimosaurids. But basically, this is a really good design. It's a lot better than the Archaeornithomimus that I have, which, to be honest, looks absolutely terrible. But this one's really good. This one, the Vespersaurus, is really good, especially with the head. If you haven't seen the Jurassic World, the Archaeornithomimus toy that was released in the Jurassic World Rebirth line, specifically I think the Wave 2 of that line. I don't think I've shown it before, but around probably the last day of 2025, I might show you a collection, and maybe I'll show that figure. But I'm just gonna talk about this one because this one looks really nice. I like the feathering on this one. Looks well feathered. Here's the scan code over there. I like the details on this. The paint is honestly nice. For articulation, the mouth can open. It looks really good. The neck can go up and down. The arms can move. So are the legs. And this tail can move. Overall, kind of a really good figure. One of their more better of the Jurassic World survival figures. One of their better ones. I've seen some of the Jurassic World survival line toys, and well, I mean, some of them are great and some of them are questionable. Well, anyways, the last one I've got to show you here is the Strike Attack Dimorphodon. Packaging was ripped because on the back because I was given it for Christmas. I opened it on Christmas, and while I was opening the little wrapping, it did get ripped a bit. I got this in Target as well. I'm not sure if I told you this one. I also got this one on Target. Anyways, let's just go into opening. I know I've been a bit much in this video currently. I mean, if I am talking a bit too much, it is what it is. Ugh. I think I can get this out. There we go. Dimorphodon. My goodness, the toy itself is actually kind of huge. Compare it to Vespersaurus. This one's pretty huge. I like the design of this one. It looks a lot more unique. The wings, I like the patterns on it, and it looks like they're a bit different. And also the little wing flaps on the legs. I'm not sure if that's scientifically accurate. If it is, well, good job. Tell. The head sculpt looks a lot different from the other Dimorphodons I have. This might be one of the best Dimorphodon designs. I think one that might be better in my opinion was the ones from the Chaos Theory line, because this one for articulation, you can't move the legs on this one. This one has no moving legs. They're in a fixed position. In fact, there's not really much articulation on this one. It's just a moving jaw. I mean, the design is nice, to be honest. It looks good. And here's the scan code. And yeah, so it's an action feature. If you press the button, he'll flap his wings. Oh gosh. I think if you just press it all the way, it'll flap. If you press it like kind of like this, and if you press like this, it'll like go up for a second and then it will go down. Like this one, it kind of scares me for a bit because I thought, oh my gosh, did it just break the figure? But no, it just works. It just works a bit odd. Anyways, that's what I got for this unboxing. Well, like, subscribe if you enjoyed, obviously, and see you next time. Bye.